Alright, well, what the heck? Jesus. Alright. The splash is next. The Mark 8's still running pretty good. Put the wipers down. I got it on the tender 2. This is gonna be the coldest for it too. I gotta get the door and hood open. See, I wanted to get every little shot with you guys so you guys can see I haven't opened anything yet. This thing hasn't ran since I parked it here, so it's like sometime this week though. A lot of wires I gotta move out of the way. Oh yeah, this thing. At least this hood has a prop on it. There we go. Hey, everything's out of the way, which I hope it is. Here we go. Let's give her a cold start. Everything's out of the way. Yep, we're good. Figured I'd get some good camera quality with a GoPro. Hopefully it don't move forward. Oh, doesn't even budge. Oh, I bet it's frozen to the ground. Here we go. No problem. Oh, it's snowing hard now. Look at that. I guess I'll call these snowy cold starts. Oh yeah. Nice wintry BS, I guess. The exhaust, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but there it is. Okay. Well, I guess to take all this crap out of here, since it's snowing pretty hard, because this tender's not really an outside one. But there we go.